Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Ron Joshua Manimtim, No.1 in Calabarzon in the December 2018 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Ron.
Ito, number 11. Refers to all the systems and interplay of activities in the community, which addresses all the negative factors affecting security, health, welfare of the public in natural calamities, disaster, famine, criminality, drought, and epidemics. It refers to all the system and interplay of activities in the community, which addresses all the negative factors affecting security, health, crime, health, public welfare, calamities, yan, famine, criminality, drought, or epidemics. Is it crime control, crime deterrence, crime prevention, or social defense? Crime control, crime deterrence, crime prevention, or social defense? Hmm. You may now put your answers. Okay. Go. Yan, dadalawa pa lang ang nagsasagot. Go, go, go. Pindot, pindot. Yan. Ah. Guys. Yan, yan. May sasagot na. Yan. Okay. Go. Maghihintay pa ako ng mga sasagot. Go. Huwag mo yung mag-chat. Hindi ko man name drop, guys. Kaya kayo man. Kayo matakot. Papasahin ko lang. Yung answers. Okay. Ayan. May nagsagot ng C, D, D, B, and B. Yan, D. Ano sagot? This is letter D. Social defense. Yan. Kung makikita nyo, hindi lang about criminality ang tinutukoy. So, all aspects of the society ang alin, ang ide-defend. So, kasama ang security, health, welfare. So, hindi lang siya about crime. Hindi pwedeng ito lang ang sagot. Hindi pwedeng, kasi itong mga to, yung A, B, C, limited siya sa crime. Yung letter D, hindi lang siya sa crime, about sa society, yung kanyang, yung sakop niya. So, security, health, and the general welfare of the public ay parte dito. Tapos ang tinatanong diga, paano ma-address yung mga problems ng society? So, ang sagot doon is this, letter D. Ayan. Di ba? Mas, siya, kumbaga, sakop niya yung mga nandito sa tanong. Itong sa A, B, and C, these are all limited to crimes. Ayan. Limited lang siya sa crime. So, ayun. Ito mama letter T yan. Ito mama letter T. Siyempre, panlito tong Siyempre, makakalito din naman talaga. Yan. Pero, yan. Ito mama, letter D. Okay? So, ayun. Sisikahin ko muna kayo. Yan. Kayo ba ay from what? From what places? Batangas? You can chat. Ayun. Kalamba. Okay. Kalamba peeps. Yan. Diyan ako huling pumunta nung before pandemic. Ayun. Tuwi yung layo. Tuwi. Tabi nun na yan. Ayun. Kabuya. Okay. Ayun, ibaan. Alam ba? Ito. Ayan. Pwede yung ilagay yung ano. Shit. Ayan. Ayan. Ito pa. Pag crime prevention, all government activities to thwart. Okay? Pag sinabi natin thwart, prevent. And, kaya nga prevention, ang gagawin niya is to stop the crime or pipigilan niya siya to take effect. Ganun pag prevention. Para ini-eliminate mo na yung elements in order for crime not to be present. Yan. Pagka deterrence, ano lagi nating ano? Anong lagi nating clue pag deterrence? Ayan. O, di may punishment. Ang effect ng punishment is this. Ang effect ng punishment is to serve as a lesson para sa criminal. Ayan. Ito yung pinaka-keyword natin sa deterrence. Okay? So, it serves a lesson para to refrain from further committing crime. Okay. Di ba dalawa to? Specific deterrence and general deterrence. So, pag specific deterrence, it serves as a lesson dun sa taong nag-commit ng crime. So, kapag kinulong siya, dahil ng act niya, maiisip niya na, hindi ko na ito gagawin. Kasi, drastic yung effect. Masyadong mabigat yung effect. Specific deterrence. General deterrence, it serves as a lesson not only to the person but to the other people. Ayun. Ayoko mapagaya dito sa taong to, dun sa nakakulong. Ganun ang effect naman yung general deterrence. Yan. Okay? Yan. Ayun, puro kalamba. Iba. Hindi pala dagdag. Okay, sorry. Ayan. Crime control. Pag sinabi kasing control, yan, i-restrain. Okay? Okay. Restrain or isolate criminals behind prison to effectively control them. So, paano ba ginagawa ang crime control? Dinadala sa prison. Ano ang purpose nito? Ano ang purpose ng crime control? Ito, to protect the public from harm or damage. Kaya ang ginagawa sa criminals, nire-restrain or ina-isolate. Di ba pag sinasabi isolate, ihihiwalay. Ayan. Kasi, ang idea dito, the criminals may further damage to society. So, to prevent that from happening, ito ang gagawin. Dadalhin sila sa prison, kukulong. Okay? To protect the public from harm and damage that may be caused by them. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, ito. Refers to all the disciplines involved in the study of crimes and criminals. Pinakita ko ito kanina, di ba? Ayan, may idea na kayo dito. Refers to all the disciplines involved in the study of crimes and criminals. Okay, you may now put your answers. By the way, kita ba yung chat box dito? Kita niyo tong chat box or ano? Guys, yan. Sabihin niyo lang para ano. Okay. Kita nga pala kasi naka-share. Okay, private pala. Joke, hindi pala kita. Okay, I guess. Go. Sagot, guys. Ayan. C? Okay, C. Sinong nasa rehab? Ano itong rehab? Ba't nasa rehab? May tanong ba ako kanina ng rehab? Baka tungkol dun sa dun sa crime control pa. Okay, sorry. Ayan, C. Tatatlo pa lang. Pag nakasampo, lilipat tayo number. Sagot kayo, guys. Yeah, may clue na kanina. Napakita ko na yung sagot dyan kanina eh. Yung meaning. Ah. Ayan. O, nadagdagan. Pwede, hindi uusad eh. Go. Yan. Mr. C. Um, ano ang sagot? Ang sagot ay is, ito yung nakita natin kanina. It includes statistics, criminal behavior, criminology. Oh, di ba lahat ng yon, it all refers to crimes and criminals. Ito na yung kanina, criminal justice system, machinery of the state, ganun. Tapos, ang purpose nitong criminal justice system nga is to protect to protect the state, to protect the people and the public. Nakita na kanina yung crime control. Ano to yung forum shopping, guys? Anong meron sa forum shopping? So, bali, tama, guys. Tama muna ito. Tama yung letters natin. Ito yung tamang sagot. Okay. So, dinidiscuss lang natin per number. So, pag forum shopping, ano nangyayari? So, may final kang case din sa isang court. Tapos, sabihin na ito yung court. Magpapile ka ulit ng isa pang case dito sa isang court na ito. Ayan, yan. May nag-chat. Filing of cases in different courts. Yes, tama. And, aside from that, yung ipinafile mo kaso sa isang court at sa another court, it is also the same course of action. So, kung shopping. So, pag forum shopping, ano to? Pwede pala siya. Okay. Pindot ko. So, bakit bawal ang forum shopping? Bawal siya kasi ine-ensure mo, ine-ensure mo na kapag ka natalo ka dito, meron kang chance dito sa kabila. Ayun. Kaya pine-prevent yung forum shopping. And, ayun. Hindi siya magandang tingnan. Diba? Ayun, tama si ma'am. Ano siya? Filing of cases in different courts with the same cause of action, same case, ayun, same crime. Ayan. Pindot ko to. Ayun. Okay. By the way, tama ito, criminological enterprise. Ayan. Okay. Discipline. Ito. Form shopping. Institution of two or more actions. Ito yung mga elements niya, diga? Two or more actions. Yan. Same parties. Yan. Same cause of action. Yan. Anong purpose nila? Di ba? Para ma-ensure na mayroon na kahit isa na magiging favorable para sa kanila.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!